Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm currently editing this video and realized I didn't make an intro. Part of me was like, do I really need an intro since it's like a what I eat in a week? But it's like really weird for me to not talk to you guys at the beginning of a video regardless of the video. So yeah, I like didn't even get ready today. So I literally just turned on the camera real quick just to say hello. But I just wanted to say hi to you guys and tell you guys that I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I've been having so much fun filming these what I eat in a week. So if you guys like this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and also comment down below that you guys want me to do more. I'm a big foodie. I love to eat, and especially being pregnant, I'm definitely letting myself indulge a ton more. And my last what I eat in a week, I was in my first trimester, so I was like super nauseous. Now sis is good, sis is hungry. So I've been eating really good, honestly. I have a bunch of delicious, fun and easy recipes in this video. If you guys decide to try anything out, let me know down below. Let me know how you like it. And yeah, let's get right into this video. Starting out with Monday, so I went to Trader Joe's this morning to grab some groceries, and I got these PB&J bars and actually ate one in the car on the way home. So for lunch slash dinner, since it was already like 4 p.m. by the time I got home, I found that rice medley at Trader Joe's. It was so good, you guys. It's brown rice and wild rice together, and I just cooked that up in my rice cooker with instead of water, I used chicken broth just for more flavor. And then I'm actually doing the salmon recipe that I found on YouTube. So I'm gonna actually link down below the recipe, but I followed it exactly. I added lemons and lemon zest. It is this lemon butter salmon. It was really, really good. I just have these 2 salmon fillets from Trader Joe's. I just seasoned them with salt, pepper, and a little bit of this salmon seasoning. And looking back on it, if I was to do this recipe again, I mean, I definitely will. It was really good. But doing this recipe again, I'm going to cut the butter in half. I think the recipe called for 4 tablespoons of butter. I think it was like way too much. It did not need that much butter, especially because salmon is like a fatty fish as it is. And my doctor told me I can have fish once a week. So this was my fish for the week. And yeah, I just cooked that up in the pan, added the lemon zest, the lemon juice, and oh my gosh, you guys, it's making my mouth water. This was so freaking good. I love when my salmon's crispy. So see, do you guys see how much like butter that is? But that's like butter and lemon juice. And I served that up with the rice, and I also took some avocados and cherry tomatoes and mixed that up with some olive oil and salt and ate that on the side. And then later on that night, Mel and I went to an event. This is the Salon Perfect Brittany Bear collab event. And they just had mini sliders and fries and like egg rolls and stuff like that. I just had like 2 of these sliders. They were so yummy. So that is it for Monday. Now moving on to Tuesday. I was having a huge craving this week for French toast. So I decided to make some up myself. And I got this thick white bread from Trader Joe's. It's so perfect for French toast. And these are all just the ingredients. You know, your classic ingredients: eggs, milk, cinnamon, and vanilla extract. And I'm just mixing that up. Funny story about the vanilla extract. So they actually ID'd me to buy the vanilla extract because it's like bourbon. But like obviously when you cook it, the alcohol is like gonna go away. But apparently I was like, you need an ID for vanilla extract. Like, I'm just trying to make some French toast, yo. Like, you guys know I'm not even 21. But they still gave it to me anyway. I'm like, I promise you, I just want to make French toast. So we just ate that with turkey bacon and chicken maple sausage from Trader Joe's. I like to keep, I don't eat sausage that often. I don't like to eat too much processed meat. And I always have fruit for breakfast. So I just have a mix of berries and a little clementine, and that is it for breakfast. And then I started making dinner at lunchtime because I cooked it up in my crock pot. So here I'm showing you double of everything because that's what the recipe calls for. I've made this chili so many times before. It's honestly one of my favorites. Mel and I love it. But my crock pot is too small for 2 cans of everything. So actually I'm just cooking up half of everything. So you guys saw I had a package of turkey turkey. I just used half a pound of turkey and I used 1 can. I'm gonna link down below for this recipe as well. I found this on somewhere on Google like a long time ago and I still use it to this day. And I just went in with some cumin, chili powder, and the corn in it, and the jalapeno slices really give it a kick. Like I really recommend putting in the jalapeno slices because it adds so much flavor. And I really went in with the chili powder. I just set this on my crock pot for 6 hours on high. And then so finally 6 hours later, it was time to eat it up. So I actually got some cornbread mix from Trader Joe's. I only had a little slice of it. You know, just because I'm pregnant don't mean I'm gonna go crazy. So I definitely portion control everything I eat. So you guys see I eat everything I want, just in moderation. So that's my bowl of chili. I just put a little bit of Greek yogurt and cheese and avocado on top. So next day, for Wednesday, I ate some fruit before I cooked up breakfast. So I just had a clementine and some grapes. And then these are leftover French toast that I made the night before, like the day before, as you guys saw. So I just heated that up, 2 more slices of turkey bacon, and I topped it with some more fruit. And then for lunch this day, I had some leftover chili, and I couldn't find the clip of me just heating it up again. Obviously did not look as good as this. I just literally just heated up the chili and then I ate it with a few tortilla chips. So that's what I had for lunch. And then for dinner, I just made some basmati rice in my rice cooker. I love my rice cooker. If you don't have one, you definitely need to get one. They make your life so much easier. And I made some teriyaki chicken. Now, I'm not a huge teriyaki person. Mel loves teriyaki, so I honestly made this like for him. And that's the very, very teriyaki sauce. And I just chopped up some chicken and I marinated it for like an hour in that teriyaki sauce, and then just added in some broccoli. And yeah, just some teriyaki chicken with some broccoli, a little bit of sesame seeds on top, and I just served that over the rice. So for Thursday, for breakfast, I just have some avocado toast. I showed you guys how to make this on my last What I Eat in a Day. It's super simple, just mashed up avocado and like lime juice and tahini, eggs, and one of my favorite fruits, grapefruit. So for dinner, I actually got a HelloFresh delivery, so that was really great because we literally had no groceries left. But I'm making this a blackened chicken penne. You guys, this was so freaking good. This has to be one of my favorite recipes I've ever made from HelloFresh. So HelloFresh is great because you get all of the ingredients that you need shipped right to your door, as well as step-by-step instruction cards to make it super duper easy to make really delicious meals. HelloFresh is really great if you're someone who's just starting out learning how to cook. Maybe you just moved out on your own, or you know, you're starting a family and you just need some new recipes. And it's also great if you are someone who loves to cook but you're in a rut. That definitely happens to me all the time. I really just end up making the same thing. So I love that about HelloFresh. It gets me creative in the kitchen. So I just washed and chopped up all the produce, and you can see all the produce comes super fresh. And for the chicken actually came in strips already, so I didn't have to cut it, which was amazing. And I'm just tossing it with olive oil, salt, and this blackening spice blend that they also sent, which was so yummy. I also love the different options they have for the meal plans. They have family recipes to calorie smart recipes to vegetarian, and they're just always really fun and really yummy. And it's also great because you can easily change your delivery date or your food preferences. Let's say you're out of town one week, you can easily skip a week and easily change your delivery preferences. So you would think a meal delivery service like this would be crazy expensive, but it's actually not. HelloFresh is now from $5.66 per serving, and if you use my code, you can get started with 8 free meals. That's $80 off your first month of HelloFresh by going to HelloFresh.com and entering my code Nazanin80. I'll also have it down below for you guys. You can just see how yummy this pasta looks. We made the sauce, we made the chicken, and now we're just tossing up the noodles. And also another thing I love is how it gets everybody in the kitchen. Like Mel and I love just bonding and cooking together with our HelloFresh meals. So it's really fun to do with your boo as well. And
Look how cheesy this pasta is, you guys. It's so good. And also they sent little packets of Cholula, so we also added that to the pasta as well. So I just plated it with some tomatoes, some green onions, and some more hot sauce, and that is the pasta. And we actually had this for dinner as well. For Friday's breakfast, you guys see me making this all the time, but I just stopped making it. It's just a regular egg sandwich. So I think I got this egg ring from Ralph's. I think you can find it on Amazon, but just cooks your egg in a perfect circle so it fits on an English muffin really well. I added like half a slice of cheddar cheese, and that is how you make a homemade egg McMuffin. It's super easy and it's really good too. So we had a ton of that pasta left over because I get the 4-person plan, even though it's just Mel and I eating. So we had a ton of pasta. We had this for lunch and dinner. Now Saturday, I honestly didn't really eat this day. I just ate a sandwich and chips from Panera. This is the Frontiga chicken sandwich from Panera. And for Sunday, we had dinner at my Auntie Nuna's house. You guys have met her a bunch of times whenever we go to 7Q Spa. She's one of the co-owners of 7Q Spa. But she made us that delicious salad, steak, potatoes. Like, guys, we ate so much. And look at this dessert platter. Oh my gosh, like we ate so good this day. We had some Armenian cakes. We had fruit. It was just a really good day.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you again for my next video. Bye everyone.